Benz. You're part of our wider-based field organization. I was wondering if you can give me a little bit of background on what the role of an application specialist does in the Benz organization.
It's a good question, and 90% of my time is spent dedicated to helping our customers and our business development managers.
How do you know where to go? How do you know who you're going to go work with or what you're going to do in any given day or even a given week?
So I keep in contact with our business development managers on current activities. They have customers that they're already associated with, trying to help, and then new business that they're trying to develop that I help along the line with those things.
Give me an example of something that you might be called to support for a salesperson. How does that work?
So if it's a current customer, typically it would be a new process that they're implementing that I'll go in to help spec out products, look at how we can help their process overall to save money. And if it's a new customer, then it would be along the lines of what products would benefit them for what they're trying to accomplish.
And as it relates to the products themselves, as you think about what it is you might recommend in support of a customer's operations, is it just experience? Are there any other resources within the Benz organization that you count on to help you with that process?
Absolutely. We have tons of resources from everywhere from our chemists to our management team to another application specialist. We spend a lot of time interacting with each other to collaborate on this stuff. It's not a one-person show. It's really a development of good ideas from what the customer is trying to accomplish.
When you get brought into a customer, how do the customers look at you? How do they receive you? I mean, you're not the sales guy.
Most of the reception I get is very positive. They understand that because we're a company that's got 500 plus products, not every business development manager will be able to know everything about every product or every application that they could come across. And so because I've got my specific area that I'm an expert in, they're very happy to have us come in to continue work with them to make it a better environment.
So it's almost kind of like an instant credibility with the customer because they know you're there to help.
Absolutely.
But Benz is more than just products. We do more than simply sell technologically advanced lubricants for customers' operations.
We do trainings for customers that we can either customize or whatever they're trying to accomplish, we take into consideration, and we can go in and work with their personnel to help them understand the impact that the fluids have on their overall business, but also how to maintain those fluids. We also have a line of metalworking fluid maintenance kit that we offer, everything from the mixers to the refractometers to oil skimmers, tramp oil skimmers. We sell that to our customers to be an overall fluid maintenance partner.
Awesome. With that maintenance, how important do you think that is for customers when we get called in to help solve a problem or do something? What is it that the customers are really looking for? Quite frankly, even why are they even calling us in?
Overall cost savings. That's generally what we see, is if there's a cost savings associated with, or a potential cost savings associated with something, we go in there, and that's where the fluid maintenance is so important, is that it extends sump life. It helps the fluid work in a better way for longer periods of time. Tool life, all those things associated with the machine tools, everything in the building is impacted by that fluid. And so if you extend that out and it works in a more optimum way, the cost savings will be generated by that.
Right. So the costs that we talk about with customers go well beyond just a price per unit or price per gallon. We're talking about total cost of ownership type of activity to deliver continuous and sustainable savings for a customer.
Absolutely.